Shares of aluminum and steel companies, they're rising as President Trump vows 25% tariffs on steel and aluminum imports here. We're taking a look at some of the shares of steel stocks, not steel. U.S. Steel, you're seeing that up by about 3.8% this morning. Alcoa also up by about 3%. Biggest jumpers there in commercial metals, Cleveland-Cliffs, and then additionally Nucor Corp as well. It seemed like, as he was on the way to the game himself, he felt the need to make these announcements.
Yeah, certainly. When you take a look at the reaction here, you're seeing in real time this morning, when you take a look at the reliance of the industrial sector on aluminum, and then you also take a look at the fact that aerospace and auto sector are very much reliant on some of that high-grade steel, especially from overseas. So the implications there is something that you're going to want to keep a very, very close eye on. And I think this just goes to adding some confusion out there in the market. The uncertainty, that has obviously been an overhang here, just in terms of how this is all going to play out. When you take a look at the rhetoric coming from the White House, we saw the reaction just a week ago here today on the threat of tariffs and how that has played out over the last 7 days. So here we are with the threat of more tariffs. The global implications also very, very important to keep in mind here. Again, you are looking at Dow futures actually on track to open today in positive territory, so kind of shaking off any of those concerns. But again, I think the uncertainty component is something that Wall Street very much is focused on here.
Absolutely.